Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Gas City, local, and long distance movers near me. A long distance move exceeds 50 miles from your existing residence. We adhere to all state and federal regulations governing relocation. We have legal licenses to provide interstate and intrastate relocation services, and our crew is competent and efficient. They are meticulous and well organized, and our moving trucks include large compartments that keep your possessions safe throughout the move. Additionally, our drivers are experts, and they are competent in transporting your goods across great distances and ensuring they arrive at their new place without harm and on schedule. To mitigate risks, we have implemented proper insurance. Moving inside Gas City, Indiana might have substantial undertaking, and we have expertise relocating in and around crowded areas and providing quick and convenient moving services in Gas City, Indiana. We have undertaken the time to examine the city's road networks and various routes, so we know the best ones to take to your new destination. Local relocations are more affordable than long-distance relocations, and 3 Movers offers the most affordable local moving services. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour, and we also provide exceptional customer service and are accessible 24 hours a day to assist you with your relocation requirements. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gas City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.